Hi there, welcome back to my kitchen. A customer just asked me a few questions about the air fryer, and instead of typing up a long message and being really long-winded, I thought I'd just make a quick video and hopefully address some of the questions that were raised. So our air fryer, the first question was, how much space does it actually take on the counter? So I brought out my measuring tape, and what I see is that it's 12 inches this way in depth, and it's 12 inches across, and it is 14 inches tall. So that's the actual footprint. When you're looking for a space on your counter, you need to remember that it needs clearance. You're not going to put it directly under your cupboards where there's not enough airflow around it. You're going to pull it out a little bit so that it has that airflow. So you need to take that into account as well. In terms of the way this is designed, it comes with a front down door. Instead of some of the air fryers that have a handle and a basket, this has shelves in it. Let me see if you can see that. So it has a bottom shelf and a top shelf. There's 3 different positions. It has a pull-out drip tray, and it has a screen up here that just protects against the element. It's super easy to clean, and the door comes off for cleaning as well. So, and it snaps back in really, really easily. I really like that it has the tray system, because what that allows you to do is put different things on those trays. You can either put things directly on this tray, or I like using my small bar pan when I'm like wanting to roast some veggies. If I want to put different veggies on here, you know, baby potatoes, whatever, I can put it in here. And what I love about our air fryer, it's not just an air fryer. It has a bake feature, so you can bake things in here. I've done things like stuffed tomatoes in here, stuffed peppers, lots of things that when you don't want to turn your huge oven on, especially in the summer, everything can be done in here. It has the roast setting, so that's when I've roasted my veggies and such. It has the rotisserie feature. This is a really brilliant one, because I don't know if you've seen those air fryers with the baskets that pull out. They work great, but halfway through making French fries, for instance, you have to pull it out, shake it, so that everything gets tumbled around a bit and the air can move around it. Ours has a rotisserie basket. Okay, this is going to turn on its own inside the unit here. You're going to pull out these shelves, you're going to put this in. It has a handle to help you situate it, and it's going to rotate on its own. Well, you press the rotate button, but it'll rotate, and the rotisserie just allows all of the hot air to circulate around the food. Essentially how an air fryer works is it's like a small convection oven. You've got that heat going from all directions, and the hot air is going to make your food really nice and crispy. It makes amazing French fries, and I really like, you know, if you've ever had day-old pizza and if your tendency is to reheat it in the microwave and it's like a soggy crust, not in here. Pizza in here, it's one of the things people talk about, how crispy that crust gets and how it tastes like the same day that it was first made. So those are really cool things. It also has skewers. This is an accessory that you buy in addition to the air fryer, where the basket comes with it. This is an accessory. I really like this because I can do my veggie kebabs on here. If you're a meat eater, you can do that. It also can do 8 wieners at one time, and again, it's going to rotate. Okay, it also has, I don't know if I have it right here or not. Yes, it also has this that you can situate a whole chicken on, any chicken up to 4 pounds. So not a big chicken, but I have done rotisserie chicken in here. If you love rotisserie chicken from the store and it's nice and juicy and smelling so much, you can fill up your house with those smells. Rotisserie your own chicken, it tastes so incredibly good. We have a rotisserie seasoning. If you haven't tried that, it's made specifically for air fryers because the granules are a little smaller, so they perfectly crisp and season your food without burning that could happen with regular seasonings. So the air fryer I'm in love with. I think that if you were thinking about getting this, One of the things, and you're hesitant, one of the things you need to know is that Pampered Chef has this amazing, amazing warranty. And what that is, just in terms of satisfaction, it has a whole 1-year satisfaction guarantee. So for any reason, if you don't like it, you can return it. If it's in the first 30 days that you decide you don't like it, they will even pay for the return shipping. After those 30 days, you pay for the return shipping, but they will refund your whole purchase price of it. That to me helps me know when I'm making a big purchase that I'm not risking all my money, like, oh my God, why did I get this? If you're thinking you would like this and are a little bit concerned, know that you have the satisfaction guarantee standing behind you. This has been flying off the shelves, and it's because people are loving the quality that Pampered Chef represents and the thought that's gone into each of these features. So I don't know if that answers all of your questions, but I personally think one of the things you should think about is how many different ways will you use this? I no longer have a toaster on my counter because I can toast my bread in here. I want quick croutons for my salad. I put it in here, air fry it, 5 minutes later, I've got beautiful croutons. I'm using this to, like I said, to roast my veggies, so I'm not turning on my main oven. If you want those multiple different features, then consider getting this one. Also, as a host, if you decide to host a party, you can get it for 50% off, and some months you can even get it for 60% off. Even better deal, if you ever decide you want to try this business, it comes in our Deluxe Starter Kit. So for less money than the air fryer, you could get the air fryer and you could get the bar pen, the manual food processor, so many different things. That starter kit is worth like $1,100. And if you were thinking of starting a business, then I would say go with the Deluxe Kit and get it that way. So many different things to use the air fryer for, and let me know if you have any more questions.